Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make text move in CapCut PC. So if you want to move your text over the video from left to right, top to bottom, right to left or any other way, we can do that by adding keyframes to the text layer. It's really simple and easy. All you have to do is to add the text to your video and I'm going to do just that. You can write whatever you need for your video. I'm going to write here, practically simple, and after you add the text you can change the font, size and color of it to your liking. It really doesn't matter. Now let's add some movement to our text. You want to drag the playhead to the beginning of your text layer because that's when we want to our text to start moving. You will see the text layer option at the right side of the screen and just make sure that the basic section is selected right here. Then scroll a little bit down until you see this position and scale option. I want my text to start moving from the top right corner of the screen, so I will put the text layer there and then we will click on this little diamond shaped icon next to the position option and that will add the keyframe to the text layer. Now move the playhead a couple of seconds or until the part of the video where you want to text is stop moving or animating, and I want my text to move to the bottom right of the screen. I will just click on the text in the window and then drag in into the bottom right. When I do that, the second keyframe will be added automatically and you can see that it's added by this little diamond icon in the text layer. When I now play my video, you can see that the text is moving from the top right to the bottom right of the screen. And if you want to make your animation a little bit faster, simply click on the keyframe on the text layer and drag it a little bit to the left side. The closer the two keyframes are, the faster the animation is going to be. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.